Hello, it's Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, with another informative video. Today, we're diving into how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can transform your school or university. This video will explore 6 key ways a CMMS can enhance your institution, from boosting safety and productivity to managing work orders and enabling mobile maintenance. So, stick around to learn how this system could be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's talk about how a CMMS can drastically improve your school or university in 6 key ways. These systems can enhance school safety, track inventory and assets, boost overall productivity, ensure compliance with regulations, manage work orders efficiently, and enable mobile maintenance. Imagine a school environment that is safer for students, staff, and visitors alike. A CMMS can help achieve this. School campuses are often a delicate balance between the needs of the students, staff, and administration, and the budget allotted to the school. A CMMS strikes the perfect balance between these demands, enhancing the safety and security of the school environment. Now, when you think of schools and universities, inventory and assets might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But consider areas like the gym, the bookstore, or the campus library. These locations need a reliable way to track what's present, what's missing, and so on. That's where a CMMS comes in handy. Let's talk about productivity. When students and staff work in a well-maintained environment, they are better equipped to study and teach. And when maintenance staff members are given the tools they need to maintain school property, they can do their job better. It's a win-win situation, all thanks to a CMMS. Regulations can be a headache, especially for larger campuses. They're necessary for the school or university's benefit, but it's challenging to keep track of all the requirements. A computerized system, like a CMMS, is much more capable of keeping track than even the most dedicated administrative staff and can be less expensive as well. Next up, let's discuss work orders and requests. Instead of manually deciding what needs to get done and what can wait, why not let the computer do it? With a CMMS, you can create a work request portal, brand the link with a URL shortener, and distribute it to anyone who wants to submit work requests. Depending on the priority of the requests, the CMMS can take all the data and decide to turn a request into a work order. Lastly, a CMMS enables mobile maintenance. This means that maintenance employees can earmark, start, or perform maintenance as soon as they see an issue. It also lets you track what's been done and what else needs to happen for your facility to be well run and maintained. So there you have it, 6 ways a CMMS can revolutionize your school or university. From enhancing safety to enabling mobile maintenance, these systems are a game changer for educational institutions. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed how a CMMS can enhance safety, productivity, work order management, and enable mobile maintenance in your school or university. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about UpKeep and how we can help, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.